Hello and welcome. What if I told you that you could earn $750 per referral just by helping homeowners get a brand new roof covered by insurance? At Spot On Roofing and Solar, we are looking for people who want to make easy money by simply referring homeowners who could use a free roof inspection. If they qualify and get their roof replaced, you get paid $750 per qualified referral. It is that simple. Here is how it works. 1. Refer a homeowner who may have storm damage on their roof. 2. We schedule a free inspection to check for insurance-covered damage. 3. If their claim is approved and their roof is replaced, you get paid $750 once receive the final payment. No experience needed, no selling. Just spread the word and get paid when your referral qualifies. Whether you are looking for extra cash or want to turn this into a serious income stream, this is an easy way to earn. Homeowners need help, and you could be the one to connect them while making great money. Spots are limited, so do not wait. Call now or send us a message to start referring and earning today.